Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Boi's kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Boi's menu, we are making 4 tasty deep fried food recipes. Yes guys, when the fried cravings hit, look no further than these 4 deep fried recipes. Try one and leave a comment and let us know how they turned out for you. I would like to hear from you guys as you try my recipes. So let's get started. You know Mama Boi doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into it, guys. We're gonna start with fried zucchini. Wash and dry zucchini. Trim the ends off. Then cut zucchini in half. Then cut it in wedges. Then set it aside. Now let's move on to make our breading batter. In a large bowl, mix flour, baking soda, baking powder, paprika, salt, black pepper. Mix well to combine, then add sparkling water. The carbonation in the sparkling water leads to the lightest, crispiest breading. Mix together until the batter binds together and smooth, just like so, guys. Heat the oil in a frying pan or in a deep fryer to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the zucchini with the breading batter. Drop the coated zucchini in and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until the coating is crispy and golden brown on both sides. Drain on paper towels and serve hot. Serve with your favorite sauce. There you have it, guys. Fried zucchini. Easy recipe to make. Now it's time for taste test. It has a mild flavor, slightly sweet with a rich feel, soft and tender to bite. Now let's move on to our second dish, fried curry beef pockets. Start by heating the skillet over medium-high heat. Add meat to the center of the pan and break into smaller pieces. Cook the meat for 4 minutes until it turns slightly brown. Then add onions, add ground cumin, toss in chili powder, season with salt and black pepper, add garden peas, give it a good stir for another 2 minutes. As soon as the meat turns brown, now we're gonna add flour, this is gonna be our thickening agent, guys. Mix, mix, mix. Add curry powder. Then milk. Mix everything until the mixture thickens. Add green onion and immediately take it off the heat. Allow it to cool slightly. Now we're gonna move on to prep the pie crust. We will be using store-bought pie crust for this recipe, guys. Unwrap the pie crust and place it on a lightly floured surface. Place the meat pie cutter on the flat dough. Press it down a bit to cut the dough. Cut out as many rounds as possible. Place the cut circle dough in the center of the cutter. Scoop the meat filling and cheese into the hollow and close with both hands. Press hard together to seal. Cut out the excess dough. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. I have the oil preheated to 365 degrees. Now we're gonna fry the curry beef pockets. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until the coating is crispy and golden brown on both sides. Drain on paper towels and serve hot. Serve with your favorite salad or sauce. There you have it, guys. Fried curry beef pockets. Let me show you how they look inside, guys. Look at that cheese. Yummy. Now we're gonna move on to work on my favorite appetizer, homemade onion rings. Start by slicing onions and separate into rings. Mix together flour with baking powder and baking soda. We're gonna add cornstarch. Add cayenne pepper, paprika. We're gonna also add salt and black pepper. Add sparkling water, then mix thoroughly until your batter is smooth. Drop onion rings into the batter. Use tongs to roll them around until completely coated with the batter. Once they are coated, remove excess batter and coat them with breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs, guys. Repeat the same process with the remaining onion rings. I have my oil preheated to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. So we're gonna cook this onion rings each side for 2 to 3 minutes until the coating is crispy and golden brown on both sides. Drain on paper towels and serve warm. There you have it, guys. Homemade onion rings. They are delicious, crispy, super easy to make. Now let's move on to work on our last dish, guys. Hush puppies. In a medium bowl, add all-purpose flour along with cornmeal. You can even use white cornmeal, guys. Baking powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, add 1 egg, chopped onions, diced peppers, and buttermilk. Whisk together buttermilk and dry ingredients, stirring just until moistened. Do not overmix, guys. Now we're gonna let our mixture stand for 30 minutes. I have my oil preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop batter by heaping tablespoon into hot oil. Fry in batches 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Drain on paper towels and serve hot. Serve with your favorite sauce. There you have it, guys. Hush puppies. This is a good side dish that you can serve with fried food like catfish and other seafood. This is heavenly basic hush puppy recipe. You taste the sweet goodness of cornbread, bits of onion and green peppers. They are so tasty. You could eat them alone too. Let me show you guys how they look inside. There you have it, guys. 4 delicious deep fried food recipes. When the fried cravings hit, try one of these recipes, guys. Let us know how they turn out or which one you like the most. Share this video with your friends and your family. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Share our videos, guys. Help this channel to grow, guys, so that I can keep delivering this yumminess recipes to you guys to share with your families and your friends. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my